Today we'll start another new video lectures for the topic surveying that will benefit for the students. So let me explain in the papers. So you just watch and see. I will explain in the pen and papers with the basic fundamental ideas, including the problems. Just watch and listen carefully. We'll discuss simple labeling. That is, first of all, we may discuss about simple labeling. So simple labeling, the labeling जैसे कि suppose this one is the ground. So here if we just go for that, we'll explain about the various points. Suppose this is A and this point is B and this point C and D, E, F, G and H. These are the various points in a ground. So that some places the ground having the rise portions जैसे कि and some having the valley. That means some in the higher region and some portions in the lower regions. So that is a basic part that we may discuss in the simple labeling process. जैसे कि we have to arrange a general lines or a label line. जैसे कि एक line, suppose this one is the line, this one we may create. जैसे कि which one is the proper line, that means which is parallel to the mean sea level, that will be create in this particular simple labeling process. For this simple labeling process, we have the various methods for calculating the RL. RL का मतलब क्या है? Reduced level. RS का मतलब क्या है? Reduced level. That is reduced level. और एक है BM. BM क्या है? बेंचमार्क. BENCH बेंचमार्क. तो बेंचमार्क का मतलब क्या है? बेंचमार्क मीन्स फिक्स्ड मार्क. तो बेंचमार्क इज ऑफ वेरियस टाइप्स. दैट इज वी मे डिस्कस अबाउट द बेंचमार्क. द नंबर वन इज द दैट इज GTS बेंचमार्क. GTS. Number two is the that is permanent, and the third one is the temporary, and the fourth one is the arbitrary benchmark. Arbitrary, these all are the benchmark. So GTS means Great Trigonometric Survey. That is fixed by the Great Trigonometric Survey Department of India. Survey Department of India. That benchmark fixed by this central government. And the permanent benchmark means that fixed by the state government agencies. Fixed by state government agencies. Just like just like our irrigation project and PWD, that means they have to fix that benchmarks. And temporary means suppose today we start one surveying process and we never completed that one, so that some portions pending. Next day if we come, then we need some reference. That reference is known as temporary benchmark. Whatever we do some survey or we initiate some survey in the one day or for the next day, we have to fix some reference for next day. That is known as temporary benchmark. And the arbitrary means that is completely assumed. Suppose in a new place or a new constructional activities we need, so at that particular area we don't have any reference, so that we assume it may be 100 meter, it may be 200 meter, it may be 250 meter, it may be 500 meter, that is assume in a particular place, and we just carry on with the help of the labeling process or the labeling, that is the surveying's another part. So first of all we may go for the discuss about the various fundamental parts we may use in the labeling process. The number one is the BS. तो BS का मतलब क्या है? Backside reading. Backside, that is BS. If we add R here, then that is reading. And the another one is IS, that is intermediate sight reading. That is IS. And the last one is that is FS, that is foresight रीडिंग. तो फोरसाइट का मतलब क्या है? सपोज यहां पे हम डिस्कशन करेंगे. सपोज कम टू दैट पार्ट. सपोज दिस वन इज ए टेबल. इफ यू राइट हियर, सपोज दिस इज सीरियल नंबर, दैट इज द स्टेशंस, दैट इज BS, and that is IS, and that is FS, and the next one is the HI, and next one is the RL, and the last one is the remark. That we may consider in which method? That is height of the instrument method. The height of the instrument method. That means suppose we have two methods for calculating the RL of various points. तो RL का मतलब क्या है? Reduced level. Reduced level means from the mean sea level. What is the basic heights that we measure? Mean sea level. Suppose a place, come to this part. Suppose this is the B points. So from the mean sea level of suppose Mumbai, in the previous old days we may consider or we may reference for the Karachi, but after some that we have also the points in the Mumbai. So from the mean sea level Mumbai, that we may consider the heights, that is called as reduced level RL. So in places, some places the RL is given, that is RL is known, that is known as the benchmark. The known RL, that is the benchmark. So we have the various benchmarks. So next we will start about